This is the week 5 homework assignment. We had to create a movie app that allows people to leave reviews. I'm submitting this without MVP. I could not get the reviews portion of it to work. This is the app that I have as of now, which I may work on a little bit later to just tidy up some of the CSS. But we have a movie card that has the title, the poster, and a link to see the trailer. And this is from IMDb, which took me forever to figure out how to get that to work. That there is one component. Then I have a component which will increment and give you an error if you go too high for the stars, and also decrement them. Whoops. Yeah. Give you an error if you go too low. It has a date set automatically, a form which goes nowhere because I just got stuck. This is a component also. The fetch goes for anything with the name Indiana, so I wound up getting more than that what I wanted, so I'll have to figure out how to weed those out. That in a nutshell is the app. For the code, I found out that I leaked my API key because I had it hard-coded in the fetch header, and when I pushed to GitHub, I got a nice email from them, but it helped me fix it and put it in a .env, which I had to put in my git ignore. So that's resolved now. I have my movies app, which is rendered in my app.js right here. This is my query. It's set to Indiana, which is part of the call here, the URL. I have my fetch movie, which has the .env key that I stored there, the host, and it sends in the URL that was defined above. It sets the movies to what was sent back from the API. And then I have my movie div, which has the container, a row set to flex, and then here's where it does the mapping of what came back, and it sets the movie name, the poster to the image, and the URL, and then it exports it to be used by the app. The stars.js is basically has this little function here and here, which increments and decrements it and sets an alert if you go too high or too low. It returns to the rating form, like an increment button, a decrement button, and in the middle is a star with the number of stars it has in it. It exports that here, which is used set up here in the rating form right here. The rating form, I could not figure out the reviews, so I tried to work off of the lab and create my own like quick review and then loop through it, and that just didn't work. So basically I have my form to create the review, and then when you click submit, it goes to the handle submit, which is where I wanted to then go and have it process and then like re-render it at the bottom of this form. That did not work, and I export that. That's my rating form. And this right here is my reviews that didn't work. This is pretty much verbatim. Maybe there's something in here I didn't see, but it just did not like the this dot. It, no matter what, and I'm telling you, I swear this is right from the lab. I know that React is 18 now. I don't know if maybe the lab was a different, I don't know, a different version. But anyway, I couldn't get that to work. And hopefully I can work on it after the boot camp is over, because it's a fun project. I did like it. This is just random CSS. Again, I think I'm gonna try to touch this up a little bit tonight, just to make it look a little better. And that is it.